Hey everyone and welcome to the channel. If you're just getting started with Power BI, or maybe you've been looking for an easy way to bring your Excel data into Power BI for the first time, you're absolutely in the right place. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to import your Excel files and start working with them inside Power BI, unlocking a whole new world of data visualization and analysis. Alright, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up Power BI on your computer. If it's your first time, Power BI might look a little overwhelming with all its menus and options, but don't worry, we're going to take this step by step. Once Power BI is open, take a look at the very top menu bar. You're going to click on the Home tab. This is kind of like the central hub for all your main actions in Power BI, and it's usually front and center ready for you. From here, you'll see an option that says Excel Workbook. Go ahead and click onto that. What you're doing is telling Power BI, hey, I've got an Excel file and I want you to bring it into my project. This is super helpful if you have spreadsheets full of sales, data, inventory, personal budgets, whatever it might be. The neat thing is, Power BI can read pretty much any standard Excel format, so you don't have to rework your spreadsheet just for this step. Now a file picker window should pop up, letting you search through your computer for the Excel file you want to use. Take a moment to browse, find the exact file you want to import. If you're new to this, it often helps to organize your files ahead of time so you know where to find them. For example, maybe you have all your reports in a folder called 2024 Reports right on your desktop. Just head there and select your spreadsheet. Once you found your file, just click Open. Now, Power BI is going to take a moment, sometimes a few seconds, sometimes a bit longer depending on how big your spreadsheet is to read and process the data. This part might take a few moments, so just hang in there. You might see a little loading wheel, and if your Excel has lots of sheets or complex formulas, that's totally normal. Don't worry if it feels slow. Power BI is just making sure it gets everything set up for you correctly. And here, where the magic happens. When it's done loading, you'll see a window showing all the tables or sheets inside your Excel file. Double check that it's showing the right data you want to work with. Then hit the Load button. By clicking Load, you're telling Power BI to actually bring that spreadsheet into your dashboard and turn those rows and columns into powerful visualizations. Imagine it like opening up a tool chest. It's transforming your flat Excel numbers into interactive charts, graphs, and insights. And that's it. Your Excel data is now fully imported into Power BI, and you can start building dashboards, exploring trends, and uncovering patterns that might have stayed hidden in your regular spreadsheet. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to give the video a like. It really helps out the channel. And if you have any questions or if you get stuck at any step, just drop a comment below and I'll answer as soon as I can. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, beginner-friendly tutorials on Power BI and data tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.